Hi friends, day 4 we are learning operators. Okay, before we are going to operators, please subscribe our YouTube channel EXCELATOZ-KIRAN, and we have a lot of videos or automation videos and Excel good tricks and Excel formulas. We have so many things we are explaining on that one. Please watch our complete videos, and you have to get good automation step by step videos. It is a free. Just you have to give a one comment. It's nice or super. Then I will give you more videos on that Excel A to Z, Kiran. Okay. Now before we will start that our videos, if you see this most of the people are not subscribing our YouTube channel. Please subscribe YouTube channel so that we will continually whatever we I have uploaded that videos, you will get that easily, and you have get notification. If you click on the bell icon, subscribe and bell icon, then you will get notification will come whenever we I have uploaded the videos weekly, once or twice. It is coming compulsory. You can watch that videos, and your valuable comments, you can update that comment nice or super. Okay, then we will start our video. Day 4 operators. Operators are arithmetic operator, assignment operators, relational or comparison operator, logical operators. We will see that one by one, go through that, then it will be clear cut picture, you have idea. Okay, now first we will see that arithmetic operator. Here arithmetic operator means let a is equal to 10. Okay, let b is equal to 20. Here a is the number. Okay, a it is, let a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. If you are adding this a and b value, plus operator we are using. If it is subtracting a and b value, we are using as a minus operator, like into operator and divided percentage, plus plus minus minus and into. Okay, these are the main operators are there. Let get we will start our program so that you will get more idea, more things are coming. Okay, p is to number is equal to 40 is coming, right? Okay, let a number is 10, let b number is 40. Now where we will use the arithmetic operator plus symbol, and how to we calculate, we will see that one. Okay, now console dot log a plus b. Okay, arithmetic operator plus symbol, and 10 plus 40, 50, we will get that output. Okay, now I'll click on the run button. Okay, it is coming, right? 50. Okay, now same variables, a has 10 and b has 40. Now subtract operator we are using, console.log a minus b. Okay, it is coming as minus 30. Yes, minus 30 is coming, right? Okay, now next, console.log a into b. It is 10 into 40, 400. 400 is coming. Okay, next, divided by. Okay, console dot log a divided b, 0.25. Okay, 10 by 40. Now I'll open the calculator so that it will, here 10 divided by 40. 0.25. Okay, it is coming right. Okay, now we need to calculate as a percentage also. Console dot log a percentile b. Console dot log a. Here if you see this console dot log a and console dot clear, I am clearing the console dot clear. A plus plus console dot log a. Now here a value is 20. I will give a plus plus means 20 plus 1, 21 will come. Here console dot log b 40. 40 minus 1, 39. Okay, I will run the program. If you see this one, right? Yeah, a plus, oh, this one percentage also is coming. A plus plus 20 plus 1, 21. B minus minus 40 minus 1, 39. It is coming. Friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share, comment. uh, Most of the people are watching the videos and yeah, unable to, yeah, it's not able to subscribe that my YouTube channel. Sorry, I'll open this channel. This is another channel. Okay, if you see this here, yeah, it is not subscribed 95%, subscribed only 4% is coming, but lot of effort I am doing that. If you see this daily videos I am uploading, and it is a playwright automation tool, and so many excel tricks I am uploading. Okay, please watch that subscribe automation tools. It is easy, and you can update the comments whatever how is the video, it is nice, or you can update the comments. Like, share and comment. Thank you so much.